Hi, I'm Pete Durst. I'm one of the instructors here at ExitCertified Tech Data that teaches the CN212 Mirantis Kubernetes Engine class. This class is aimed at folks that will be using Mirantis Kubernetes Engine, or MKE, in their workspace. The system provides a great way to look after your containers and tasks, as well as managing the fleet of worker systems for them to run on. We start by building an MKE environment and then cover things like RBAC, role-based access control, as a way to manage who can do what where in your environment. Lastly, we show you how to troubleshoot your environment in case you have any issues. By the end of the class, you should be able to set up a proof of concept MKE environment, be able to manage users, platform logging, and layer 7 networking in MKE, as well as being able to troubleshoot MKE deployments. There are lots of hands-on labs to help reinforce your knowledge and is what makes this a great training platform. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon in class.